Guys, this is the first cold day that we got. I've got some bok choy that I need to harvest.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Blissful Spaces Garden. Today we're here in our beautiful October garden. It is 59 degrees, can you believe that? I still have bitter melon.
And I decided that I'm gonna make some bitter melon soup. Yes, I'm being creative, thinking of different ways cooking the bitter melon.
Let's take a look at our companion planting experiment here. We have our bitter melons right here, some bitter melons on the vines, and we have our beautiful dahlias. Look at her, she's just beautiful and she's smiling back at us. These two might seem like an odd pair, but they actually benefit from each other. Bitter melons, the flowers, we've got other vegetables growing. Sprawling vines help keep the soil moist. Attract pollinators. Oh, look at that beauty. Yes, it's a kitchen day. Today we are going to, oh my goodness, I couldn't stop through the garden without checking the dahlias. We had rain yesterday and one of the branches seemed to tumble over, but look at those beauties. Oh, I just had to stop and touch them and smell them. And check out those peppers. Our seedlings are growing. Canyon planting vegetables and flowers and herbs and fruits helps prepare my soil for the spring.
As you know, I use every inch of my garden spaces to produce fruit, vegetables, and herbs. These zinnias, I'm getting ready to pull that out. I'm gonna pull that out tomorrow. It should be a little warmer tomorrow. For all my vegetarians and vegans, this recipe will be for you. For anyone that just wants to eat light, eat healthy, this is for you. I also have a bitter melon. I'm gonna sit this down. I also have a bitter melon that is way overripe that I need to pick and collect the seeds. So I'll do that today too. There's a couple other little bitter melons in there. I'm just gonna let them do their thing. Small, but they're growing. Can you believe that I have bitter melons still growing in the garden?
Now let's head into the kitchen and put these companion planted bitter melons to good use. We're going to make a special dish that's perfect for the changing season. Bitter melon soup. Come on, let's head inside.
Just gonna use one, that's all I need.
You know, gardening has been a change in my life. I'm eating a lot healthier and I'm trying new foods and I'm so grateful for it. It's not just about gardening and growing your own food. It's about connecting with nature, creating blissful spaces, and of course, trying new things. We're gonna wash the bitter melon and then we're going to slice it. You can slice it in any shape that you like, and then we're going to soak it in cold water. I like to soak it in cold water just for a few minutes. With this method, it's known to take a little bit of the bitterness away.
I just wanted to note, if you are not a vegetarian, you can substitute the vegan broth with the chicken broth. I didn't want to leave any of my viewers out, but today we are going to make it vegetarian, vegan friendly. Of course, I love to cook with ginger, and never mind the background, it is Sunday football all day long in my house. I'm going to use a teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil. I like to cook turmeric. Feel free to use that as well. And you could use fresh onions or just a dash of onion powder. You could use fresh garlic or a dash of garlic powder. This is just a quick little meal. I just feel like a little nice healthy soup. So I already added the vegan broth. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning. I did put on a pot of rice, just in case I decide to have a little bit of rice on the side. And I need to get my wooden spoon. I'm sorry about that. So I'm going to get my wooden spoon. This is ginger. I love ginger. You're going to see me pretty much cook with ginger. Sesame oil, I'm going to use that at the end. When it's cooked, I'll just add a little bit of sesame oil. But right now, while it's cooking, I'm just going to add a dash of, soy sauce. So just a dash, just a dash. That's all you need. One of my favorite seasoning, turmeric. Just a dash of that. Add a little bit of chopped onions to it, and of course you can add other vegetables. Oh, that smells so good. Meatless Sunday. And the rice, oops, the rice is ready. Scoop a little bit of rice into my bowl. I hope you try this at home. It is so easy. One of my favorite things to do is make garden to table recipes. Being creative, trying new things, growing my family's favorite fruits and vegetables. Bon appetit. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. This bowl is for you.
Eating bitter melon soup can help regulate your blood sugar levels and boost your immune system. Go ahead and try it today.
Taste this with me. Oh my goodness, look at that. Guys, you gotta try this at home. This is so good. If you've been here before, thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, like, comment down below. Let me know if you have bitter melon growing in your garden. If you've tried it before, what are some of your favorite ways of cooking the bitter melon? I love to know, and I might even try your recipe. So stay tuned, because I will be making cabbage and sausage. As always, stay loving, be kind, and I will see you in my next video. Blessings.